This video is for the installation of Intex models 56633 and 56634 2500 gallons per hour filter pumps. Please review the filtration chart for daily operation after you have installed the pump. If your pool comes with an Intex saltwater chlorine generator system, please refer to the instructional video that is packaged separately from the pool DVD. Remove the plunger valves from the threaded connectors and set them aside for the moment. Unscrew the nut from the threaded connector with the strainer basket attached, leaving the flat washer on the connector. From inside the pool, insert the connector into the lower pre-cut hole. The flat washer goes between the connector and the inside wall. From outside the liner, screw the nut back on the threaded connector. Tighten the strainer grid and nut onto the threaded connector. Make sure it is as tight as possible using fingers only. Do not use any tools. Repeat the assembly with the connector, which has the adjustable pool inlet jet for water returning to the pool. Adjust the jet away from the pool outlet and tighten the retaining ring. With the step washers in place, screw the plunger valves back onto the threaded connectors. Close the plunger valves by turning the handles clockwise. Locate the filter pump with the connectors facing the plunger valves. Push one of the hose ends onto the upper valve to your left facing the pool and secure it with the attached hose nut. Connect the other end of the hose at the bottom of the filter housing. Connect the other hose to the motor housing and the lower valve. Make sure both valves are closed. Unscrew the filter housing collar and set it aside. Remove the cover to make sure that a filter cartridge is in place. Replace the cover. Finger tighten the cover and the air release valve on top, then the sediment valve at the bottom. Also, close the air release valve above the filter pump inlet. When the pool is full, water can be let into the pump before it is turned on. To prevent airlock, open the lower valve first and then the upper valve. To open the valves, turn the handles counterclockwise until they stop. Finally, open the air release valve on top of the filter tower to allow trapped air to escape. When the water flows out, gently tighten the air release valve with your fingers. You may also have to momentarily open the air release valve, which is above the pump motor shaft, to release air trapped at that point. It is important to follow these instructions when operating the pump. Never turn on the pump until the pool is full of water. Do not operate the pump when people are in the water. Use only a GFCI or RCD type electrical outlet for safety. Connect the pump to an outlet and switch the pump to on. Make sure water is flowing from the upper valve into the pool. If water is not flowing, air may be trapped between the motor and the pool. Shake the hose up and down to force any air out through the valve. The filter cartridge will continue to clean effectively for about 2 weeks. At that time, check to see if it needs to be replaced. You can try cleaning it with a garden hose or replace it with cartridge 59905 marked B. To operate the pump in timer mode, set the dial to the desired number of hours. Turn the pump on by pressing the clock icon. It will stop after running for the hours desired and turn on again for the same number of hours the next day. To operate without the timer, press the line or off button.